say that again?
Yeah, here you go.
I love India.
Me too. Are you having fun, Bill?
A little.
Okay.
Mata Mataland.
Now do it all together.
Bharat Mata Mataland. Bharat Mata Mataland. Bharat ni Bharat. I hope that doesn't mean
Cheers.
Cheers.
Say it. What does it mean again?
Bharat Mata.
Yeah.
Our motherland.
Motherland. Okay.
Bharat Mata ki jai.
Yes, thank you.
Radio Man rides the world. We're here in KhardungLa, highest Motorable Pass in the world at 18,380. This was my dream to come here and ride, and I've done it. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful country, India. Mother India, as we learned earlier. So we love it. Thank you. And Bill, Mobil is with me. Gives himself a little look. Very slow. Hi, Bill. Is it fun?
Yeah.
Should we say when we got here, we had a very nice Indian family all around us.
Mark's
And-
talking
and
like
one
that
lady-
because we were just
one-
parroting our asses off. He talks like me like that after we're done by ourselves.
But hey, our friends from India. Bill had a woman wanting to ride down the
stop
mountain
it.
with him. True story. She wanted to ride down. She came over special and said she wanted to ride down with Bill.
She had a her though,
She
didn't she?
was a beautiful girl. It was fun.
You better edit that out.
Here we are.
Here.